In the last episode, we rent a motorbike and stroll around to the off-beaten path in the island of Phu Quoc. The exploration continues in this episode. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chen. Thank you. Hi again. Our motorbike tour today starts with this place. This is the prison museum. So we're gonna see what we can learn from here today. So let's join us. By the way, the admission is free to this prison museum, and after the walkway that is full of flowers, we will enter this area with all of these fences around. This prison was built in 1960s by the French colonialists to imprison the political protesters, mostly Vietnamese soldiers, hence also called the war prison. They suffered extremely savage punishments and tortures. However, they remained resilient. Having courage and intelligence, they fought in their struggles. So first, we are seeing here, they're calling it as the tiger cage, in which they are building this very small type of cage with the barbed wire that is full of thorns, and it is said to be the most barbarous kind of torture for the prisoners over here. They are making the cage with a very small size, and inside of it there may be 2 or 3 prisoners. So it is limiting the movement, because if they move a lot, they're going to be scratched by the thorns from the barbed wire. And at night, they're saying they're going to the soldiers are going to flush water upon them. So yeah. Here it is depicting some other types of torture towards the prisoners by the soldiers, like using fires.
is depicting the hunger strike fight by the prisoners during those days. To the underground side. I'm not sure what we're going to see yet. To dig the holes with very sharp tools all the way. Trying to escape their lives from the barbarous punishment. From the underground, they dig up the holes and just try to escape all the way. So our second destination for today's motorbike trip is the Camp Beach. It is also like one of the most beautiful beach in the island of Phu Quoc. Let's go. So the Camp Beach is like 10 minutes away from the prison museum. So all of these places are located at the southern part of the island. So and just take a bite and then just ride around. There are a lot of beautiful places for you to visit at the southern part of the island. Look at this beach. Ooh. I think this beach is more beautiful than the South Beach that we went earlier. The sand is so sandy white. I just had a dip in the water. The water is quite cooling. It's very calm, so it's very, very soothing for a dip in the sea, and it's very shallow. Now we are leaving the Camp Beach, going to the Sunset Town. So basically we are just ride and stop all over this sunset town, and I was told that what's popular in this place is that they have different types of staircase, maybe different kind of decorations, some which like some of them are with like Venice type of arch and etc. This whole town, I would say, it gives the feelings like Italy or a Venice town. So there are some streets that they name the streets very like Italian name. It's quite a very lovely town with very colorful buildings, very Instagrammable, but there's still a little bit of constructions going on, so it's not like fully or completely built up yet. They are making this township looking like a Rome, with some structures of the history building in Rome. Look at that.